The last section for this lesson is number 2. Sylvia wants to mix 100 pounds of breakfast blend coffee that she will sell for $25 per pound. She's using 2 types of coffee to create the mixture. Kona coffee sells for $51 per pound, and Colombian coffee sells for $11 per pound. How many pounds of each type of coffee should Sylvia use? So, let's talk about this. We know that she wants to have 100 pounds of coffee altogether, right? So let's say X plus Y. X is going to represent... Actually, let's not use X and Y. Let's use K and C. K is going to represent our Kona, and C is going to represent our Colombian. And this is how many pounds we have, right? So we're going to say K plus C is going to equal 100 pounds total. Now, we know that we buy this $51 for the Kona coffee. And it's going to be $11 for each pound of Colombian coffee. Now, we want to sell ours for $25. And how many total pounds are we going to have in the end? 100. So I'm going to do 25 times 100. So I got K plus C equals 100. That didn't change. Here I've got 51K plus 11C equals 2,500. Now remember, our coefficients need to be opposites of each other. So let's go through and multiply this top equation by a negative 11. Okay? So that makes negative 11K minus 11C equals 100 times 11 is negative 1,100. Here, we're not going to change anything. We got 51K plus 11C equals 2,500. Add these together. We've got 40K equals 1,400. And divide that by 40. So we need 35 pounds of this Kona coffee. Okay. So Kona is going to be 35 pounds. Let's find out how much Colombian coffee we're going to need. Going to kind of write this up over here underneath B. Go back to my original equation of K plus C equals 100. Well, I know that this is 35. So 35 plus C equals 100. C must indeed equal 65. I always want to double check to make sure it works in our second equation. So we're going to do 51 times 35 plus plus 11 times 65. And we're questioning whether this equals 2,500. Well, 51 times 35 is 1,785. 11 times 65 is 715. And again, I'm still trying to find out if this is equal to 2,500. So we're going to add this to 1785. I get 2,500. Does indeed equal 2,500. So this checks out. On to the wrap up of this lesson.